What's going on, guys? My name is Fusion Pete, and today's video we will be unboxing the Satechi aluminium vertical laptop stand in space gray. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I have the box in front of me here. Let's take a look at it. So at the left top we can see the Satechi branding. At the bottom, aluminium laptop stand in space gray, and here's a picture of the stand itself, the MacBook Pro on it, which is a laptop that I have, and universal compatibility with most laptops, so you don't need to have the MacBook. Here's a picture of the Satechi stand. At the back we have some specifications, 1-year warranty. We can't really see the specifications because of that label there. Here we have the features, adjustable vertical clamp, blah blah blah, and at the back we have more features, so aluminium construction, adjustable design, and cable management, which is all great. So now let's open up the box and see what comes inside. So we open the box. Here we have this protection thing, whatever it's called, foam, and here is the stand in the beautiful color of space gray, and that's it really. You don't get any documentation, paperwork, or any of that useless stuff. So now let's take a look at the Satechi stand itself. Alright, so here it is again, the beautiful space gray color all around it. So at the bottom we have 4 rubber feet for it to grip. In the middle, this is the slot where you put in your computer. It also has rubber in it, so your computer doesn't get scratched, and that knob allows you to fit any laptop you have, but of course it's limited, so you can adjust it for your laptop. And now let me put on my MacBook Pro 15-inch and let's see how it looks. So here it is. Let's just insert it there. Turn the knob to the right side so it tightens up, and yeah, that's it. Looks great, stays on its place. So yeah, thanks for watching and peace out.